How to fix mouse cursor disappearing when playing games. So there might be several reasons why your mouse might be disappearing while playing games. So the first option is to go to mouse settings, go to Windows and type mouse settings and click on additional mouse settings. Go to pointer options and make sure you uncheck the display pointer trails and the visibility and press on apply. And after that, change your display resolution to a recommended value. Go to system and under display you should be able to see display resolution and make sure that the resolution is recommended and the scale is also set to recommended size. Now the next option is to run the program in compatibility option. So right click on the game and go to properties and under compatibility run the compatibility mode and select the compatibility mode that best suits for your game and click on apply and run as administrator, and you should be able to fix your problem. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.